Hello students, so in our previous video session, that is video number 2, we have completed 4.2 question number 2 and now we will see 4.2 question number 3. Okay, so here again the rough part of construction. Okay, so rough figure first we have to draw. We have to construct a rhombus. Rhombus is again a quadrilateral. Okay, so the name of the rhombus is BEND, bend. Okay, so from here BEND bend I am writing. Okay, so here BN is given measurement. BN is 5.6, that is B to N. The diagonal is given, it is of 5.6 centimeter, and DE is given to us, right? DE is 6.5 centimeter. So no sides measurement is given here. So what we will do, we will recall the properties of rhombus. First of all, see, here I am writing properties of rhombus which we will use in construction. First property is diagonals intersect each other at 90 degree. Okay, second, diagonals bisect each other. So these two property we will use while constructing a rhombus. Okay, so it means that from these two we can say that diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other, right? So it means how to construct this. First of all, see, this line is of 6.5 centimeter, so we will draw this line DE of 6.5 centimeter. This is rough part I am showing you. Then we will do the perpendicular bisector. We will find the perpendicular bisector of this line. How to find perpendicular bisector? So first that much we will do. Okay, first of all we will construct a line of 6.5 centimeter. Okay, here I am going on with the fair construction part. So DE I have drawn of 6.5 centimeter. Now I have to find a line which is perpendicular bisector of this line. Okay, so for perpendicular bisector what we used to do is an approximate measure using this compass will be taken of this line. Okay, which is more than half. See, आपको लग रहा होगा ये हाफ है, राइट, इतना कुछ. सो हाफ से ज़्यादा लेना है इस लाइन का. सो हाफ से ज़्यादा देखो यहाँ पर कुछ मेजरमेंट लग रहा है, राइट. दिस इज मोर देन हाफ. ओके, फ्रॉम डी पॉइंट ऑल्सो and from E point also this is more than half. Now without changing this, okay, measurement of compass, we will draw arc on both the sides of this line from E point and both the sides of this lines from D point. And now we will join these 2 points and draw a line, this point and this point, and we will draw a line, and this line will be the perpendicular bisector of the given line DE. Okay, so this line I am naming as XY. What I did, steps I am writing here. First I have drawn a line, draw DE equal to 6.5 centimeter. Then what I did, I have draw perpendicular bisector of DE and name the line as XY. Okay, DE का हमने perpendicular bisector बना दिया. This is the method how we draw perpendicular bisector. So we have a perpendicular bisector here. Okay, so automatically ये जो line है वो 2 equal half में divide हो गया. ठीक है. Now say this line XY intersect DE at point O. Okay, so ये जो point है, ये point है O, जहाँ पर ये दोनों डायगनल ये परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर वाली लाइन और DE एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो दिस पॉइंट इज O. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, सी डायगनल्स जो होते हैं बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. सो 5.6 का हाफ इधर होगा और हाफ इधर होगा, राइट. सो मीन्स 5.6 का हाफ पहले हम ढूंढ लेंगे, राइट. सो हाफ ऑफ 5.6 फोर्थ, राइट. हाफ ऑफ 5.6 that is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Okay, arc will be cut on XY drawn from point O on both sides. देखो, from point O we will cut an arc of 2.8 centimeter, half of 5.6. Okay, 2.8 will be here and 2.8 will be here, so in total it will be 2.8 will be here and 2.8 will be here. So in total this line will be of, from here to here it will be of 5.6, and then we will join this, so this will be a rhombus. Understood? Okay, so what we will do, we will draw an arc of 2.8 from O on this line. Okay, so 2.8 centimeter we will take from scale. So using scale we have taken 2.8 centimeter measurement of compass, and from O point we will cut an arc on both sides. Okay, so these points which we got are, one is B point and one is N point. Okay, clear? So fifth point I am writing here. You in the notebook you write it in a continuous manner. Okay, so after fourth point, the fifth point is name point of intersection as B and N respectively. Done. Now what you have to do, you have to join DB, BE, EN and ND, right? देखो ये सब join कर देना है, and all these are not given measurements. Okay, we will just join it with dotted lines. BD, okay, BE now, then EN, and ND. So this BEND band is required quadrilateral. So I am writing here, band is required quadrilateral, or rhombus we can write. Okay, required rhombus. Clear? So in the end, this construction is based on the properties of rhombus. This you have to mention here in the question when you will start construction part. Okay, so these are perpendicular bisector, so I am here making 90 degree. Okay, and this line is equal to this line, and these are of 2.8 centimeter and 2.8 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we have divided the 5.6 centimeter line into two parts. Okay, 5.6 का हाफ क्या होता है 2.8, so 5.6 का हाफ हमने क्या किया 2.8 करके डिवाइड कर दिया, and we have constructed this. Okay, clear to everyone? Right.